Hey everyone, I'm going to be starting a daily Forex series where I'm going to be giving out strategies, tips, and overall Forex information for anyone that is interested in the Forex market. Today we are going to talk about my brokerage and how to use it. So my brokerage is called the Metatrader4, and with the Metatrader 4, it has 5 sections. We have the quote section, the charts, trade, history, and settings. It's simple. So let's start off with this quotes page. So with the quotes page, we have 2 sections on the top, the simple and the advanced. So if we go on simple, if you guys see on the very left side, we have these letters. All the letters in white, these are called currency pairs. Everything you see on the left side, they are called currency pairs. These are what we are entering when we enter a trade. These are the names of what we're entering when we're entering any trade in the Forex market. To add any currency pair that is not listed in your quotes page, on the top right you see a blue cross. Click on that, go to search, and then search any currency pair that you want to add into your quotes page. For example, GBP, NZD. If you see the green plus, just click on the green plus, cancel, back, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you can see that your new currency pair is added. To delete any currency pair, on the top left there's a pencil mark. Click on the pencil, and if you see, just tap on any currency pair you want to delete. For example, GBP, NZD. Click on that. Top right, you see a red trash can. Click on that, and then boom, it's deleted. So yeah, everything on the left side, those are all currency pairs. If we go to our advanced page, we see more advanced things. On the far right, you see the word high. Everything on the right side says high, and then the numbers on top, those are called the ask price. All right. If you see on the left side of that, you see something called the low with numbers above it, the same thing. That's called the bid price. All right. So we have the ask price, which is on the far right, and the bid price, which is on the left side of that. And then on the very left side, we see the same thing, the same currency pairs, the names. All right. Those are all currency pairs on the left side. And right below that, you see something called the spread. So what a spread is basically is what is indicating to you to enter a trade. So what that means, for example, most of these numbers are very low, like AUD CAD, AUD JPY, AUD NZD, CAD JPY, EUR CAD, EUR NZD, GBP AUD, NZD CAD, and so on. We also have AUD CAD.pro. All of these currency pairs have basically, as you can see, any spreads closer to each other, right? Most of these spreads are not high. These are not high spreads. For example, like USD ZAR, NAS 100, SPX, those are high spreads. We are focusing right now on foreign currency pairs with low spreads. So we have AUD CAD, for example, and all these spreads below it, they have like the same number of spread. So you need to focus on when you're entering a trade, especially with a $100 account or anything below that. Anything with a $100 or below account, do not trade indices or cryptos yet. Your account cannot handle that. You have to use proper risk management. All right? For example, I have a $112 account. I'm not going to enter trades that have gold, NAS 100. You can see right here, NAS 100. I'm sorry. NAS 100. Look at the spread at 260. USD ZAR, those are called exotic pairs. We are not going to enter that with a $100 or below account. That is too dangerous, and you can risk a lot of your money, or maybe even risk all of your money if you enter any of these trades. So today our focus is focusing on currency pairs with low spreads that most of us can handle in our accounts as beginners. So as you can see, you shouldn't be trading any currency pair with a spread above 40. All right, write that down. You shouldn't be focusing on any currency pair with a spread over 40. Any currency pair below 40, like AUD CAD and everything I named, EUR AUD, have low spreads. You see that? Those are safe trades to enter with the account of $100 or below. You are not going to be risking all your money if you enter trades with a proper spread and proper risk management. Okay? So yeah, if we go back to our simples page, same thing. Currency pairs, the bid and the ask price. Now we're going to move on to our chart. So I'm not going to go deep into this chart. All I'm going to say is that on the top left, you see the H1, that's called your time frame. So you have the M1, the M5, M15, M30. Everything, the M means minutes. So minute 1, minute 5, minute 15, minute 30, hour 1, hour 4, day 1, week 1, and month. You can just click on whatever time frame you feel comfortable with trading. Depends on what kind of trader you are. And then on the top, and you see on the right, on next to that, you see a little moving bar. I don't really use this, but it's very important if you want to see. On the far right, you can see the numbers are moving. That depends on what currency pair you're on. You can just see on what price it is at. Then you have the F right next to that, the top left. On the top, very top, you see an F. Just click on that. Those are the indicators. It depends on what kind of strategies you are adding. So on the indicators, you can just add whatever windows you want to add. We can get into deep indicators on more videos later on. But as of right now, I'm just going to show you objects. You can just click on whatever objects you want to add into your chart. And then on the top right, you have the trade button. So right now, below the time frame, the H1, you can see the pair we are looking at of the chart. USD JPY, that is the pair, the currency pair we are looking at as of right now. So if you want to trade that, just click on trade. And then we have the currency pair, which is USD JPY. And then right here, this is called our lot size. A lot size is what we use in the market on what kind of money we want to make. All right, a lot size is very important when it comes to Forex. This will depend on how much money you are risking and profiting. All right, so then we have our stop loss. Our stop loss is where we want the price to hit if we were losing money. So our stop loss is very important when you are entering a trade, because this will help you lose not your whole account. This will help you use proper risk management and losing a percentage of your account. And we have our take profit, same thing. This will help you just when it hits your take profit, this will help take you out of the trade and with profit, with money you just made. All right. So then we go to our trades page. This is my live account, so my balance right now is $112. Your equity, what equity means is how much money you have is your balance plus the money you're in with the trade. For example, if I'm down a trade right now, if it's red, if you enter a trade, you'll see when you enter a trade, you'll see if you're red or blue. Whether you're red or blue, your equity is the price, is your balance with the trade you're entering together. So for example, if I am down $1, then my equity would be $111 $111 with 41 cents, right? So my balance is what I am at right now, and my equity is what I am at the price of after I enter a trade. All right, your margin level percent is very important as well. That will show depending on how much you have in your balance, your margin level. You shouldn't be entering any trades when your margin level is below 500. All right, write that down. You shouldn't be entering any trades when your margin level is below 500. You are risking a lot of your account, and most of the time that when your margin level is way too low, it will just take you out of the trades automatically because it knows that your account cannot handle the trade. So again, you shouldn't be, when your margin level is below 500, you shouldn't be entering any more trades. Let's go to my history. So on the top, you see a day, a weekly, monthly, and custom. All right, so for the day, I haven't made any trades yet. For the week, right now, as you can see, I am profit in $7.94. So yeah, everything right here on the left side. Anything, if you guys see on the green, on the very, all the currency pairs you guys see, right? If you see on the side with the green, the color green, right? That means it hit your take profit. Anything on the left, I'm sorry, anything that it's in red, that means it hit your stop loss, right? So like I said, this is very important. When it hits your stop loss, you're only losing a percentage of your account. It's very important to put a stop loss because it helps you just lose a percentage of your account and not risking all of your money in your account. Same thing with take profit. If it hits take profit, you are gaining the amount of money or the amount of money you want to gain depending on the amount of pips. We'll go over pips in another video, right? So anything on green hits your take profit, anything in red hits your stop loss. And finally with settings. This is my live account, right? I can also be trading with my demo account. The same thing, 5 sections. It's just I'm using fake money. Same thing. Go back to my live account. Go to settings. It's the same thing. So we're going to be going over my charts real quick. So if you want to copy this down with your own settings on your Metatrader 4, I have my candlesticks checked, volume not pressed. I have ask, price line, period separators, and trade levels all pressed. And with my colors, or the colors on my chart that you guys see right here, the colors of the candlesticks, which is the red and the blue, below the USD JPY, the whole chart right there, all these are called candlesticks. Right here, as you can see, that's a blue candlestick, that's a red candlestick, blue candlestick. All these are all called candlesticks, right? These are called the red candlestick, a blue candlestick. We'll go to settings again. Click on charts, go to colors. If you want, you have my foreground in white, grid and gray, bar up blue, bar down red, bull candle blue, bear candle red, line chart green, volume green, bid price line red, as price line blue, trade levels green, stop levels red. You can just take a screenshot of this, copy this down to your Metatrader 4 settings, and have a chart looking like mine. And yeah, this is the basics of going over my brokerage app. This is what I usually use every night when I trade into the Forex market. If you are interested about learning how to trade in the largest financial market in the world, then you can contact me through DM. Below, I'm going to have my Instagram if you want to talk further about the Forex market or interested in becoming a member and learning about the largest financial market in the world. It's a very simple concept. I don't want to make it too complex. I'm going to be posting daily videos about this, daily strategies and tips that you can use for your Forex, and you can take notes about Forex. Hope you guys found this resource valuable, and I'll see you guys in more videos following along. Thank you.